Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about difference between planar surface and filled surface. See, this is the planar surface. So I'm going to show you how to create, and I'm going to show you how to create filled surface. And I'm going to show you how to fill surface irregular surface. So I'm going to show you how to create fill surface and create solid block. So let's start now. Here I have created simple sketch. So we have to go to surface and we have to select planar surface and select the sketch. Say OK. So it is similar to base flange in sheet metal, but only the difference is in sheet metal we have certain thickness, but in surfaces we always have zero thickness. So this is the flat sheet. So we can create with planar surface. Now I'm going to show you how to create fill surface. So go to surface and fill surface and select these edges and say OK. So these two are different surfaces. So if you want to merge, we have additional option. So we can select merge results. So one more example is, so when we create any surface with curvature, then how to fill it. So we have to go to fill surface. So this is not possible with planar surface. So we have to select this. See, here we have different option for visibility. We can select zebra strips also. So I will uncheck mesh option. So this black color portion is zebra cross. So we can use this. And this is curvature. So we can see the curvature of that. Next, let's see how to create block. Solid block. So select this sketch, go to extruded surface. So select mid plane, say OK. So I have created one more sketch exactly at this location. So once again I am selecting extruded surface, select mid plane, say OK. So two surfaces are created now. Go to trim surface, select this surface, select this to remove. See, there is a removal of material. Now we have to trim this surface. Now what we have to do is go to trim surface, select this surface and remove this. Now this looks like a box. Now go to knit surface, select this surface and this, say OK. Now I am going to close this box with filled surface. So select 4 edges. Here, so you can see the surface is filled. I can go for merge. So as soon as I check this merge result, it is asking for create solid. So click this option, say OK. Now let's go to cross section. So you can see it has become solid. So this is the major difference between planar surface and filled surface. Thank you.